How to add iPhone time tracker widget. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in the name of the application you want to download. For example, Time Tracker Widget. From the results, select the Hours Tracker app as shown. As you can see, this app is already downloaded on your phone. Tap on Open to open the app. Once you're here, tap on the Add Entry button as shown. You can now add in a sample job entry from here. Fill in the details such as start and end time, duration, hourly rate, tags and more. Once you're done, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. Now, go back to your home screen. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Widget. Here, scroll down and select Hours Tracker as shown. Swipe to view and choose the layout that you want and then tap on Add Widget. You have now successfully added the Hours Tracker widget to the home screen. Following these steps, you can easily add iPhone Time Tracker widget.